it's Maddie. Welcome back to my channel. Today is a Thursday. It's May 27th. I was in the mood to vlog today, so that's what we're gonna do. I'm actually taking kind of a little spontaneous beach trip. So this weekend is Memorial Day, but the weather is like so bad. It's gonna be like rainy and kind of cold every single day, which is super disappointing. But today is like sunny and hot and really nice, so I thought I would get like one good beach day in before this weekend. It's like 8:30 in the morning right now. I'm gonna start driving down soon, and I'm just taking a solo beach trip today. I think solo beach days are super underrated. I highly recommend. I'm just gonna go and relax and tan, maybe read a book. It's gonna be great. Let me show you guys what's in my beach bag really quickly. I'm bringing this little bag thing that actually folds out into a blanket. It's the most convenient thing ever, especially for the beach or just going to sit at like a park or something. So this folds out into a blanket, and then I'm also gonna bring a towel. I just have like my AirPods, some SPF lip balm in here, and then I'm gonna bring this bag as well, which is just from Princess Polly. And I have a hat, of course, face sunscreen, body sunscreen. I'm gonna grab a water bottle, some snacks, and a book, like I said. And then I think that's it, besides like my phone and my keys and everything. Also, by the way, I switched out my bedding to this white waffle duvet. I felt like it was more summery than the one I had before this, which was like a mauve one. I'll link this bedding set down below. It's just from Target. Let's go. I have like an hour drive to the beach. I feel like it's a New Jersey obligation to stop and get a bagel on your way down the shore. So I'm gonna stop and get some breakfast and then be on my way. My bagel order is super boring, but I just get everything toasted with scallop and cream cheese. It's delicious. Hazelnut iced coffee. Ready to go. I'm back home from the beach now, clearly. I just ate dinner, I took a shower, washed my hair, and it's already like 8 p.m. so I'm just gonna like chill for the rest of the night. But I just placed an order on Oritizia, and I'm so excited about it. They just came out with this whole new line of stuff called TNA Body, and it's like all workout stuff. And it came at like the perfect time because I've been wanting to order some new like cute workout matching sets, especially since I started doing Pilates, and I'm just like, it would be more fun if I had like cute little sets to wear to Pilates. So I ordered 2 matching sets. You have to buy them separately, but the pricing is actually pretty reasonable. The total was $156 for 2 bras, a pair of biker shorts, and a pair of leggings. That's pretty decent compared to like workout brands like Lululemon or Aloe. So I'm happy with that. But I just got an orange set with like the little shorts and the little sports bra, and then I got this like dark green set with leggings. So I will update you guys when these come in the mail if I actually like them on, but I have high hopes for this. It looks really nice. Good morning, happy Friday. I just got ready because I'm going to Pilates this morning. I ordered some more of these Amazon workout tanks. This brand is just the best. I have 3 of like the thin strap ones that you guys have probably seen, and I love those, but I decided to get some different styles from the same brand. So I got this light blue one, and it's like a racer back. I'm obsessed with it. I think I actually like this style better than the thin strap one. Everything runs a little bit small from them, so like normally I would wear a size small and things, but I order a size medium. And then I also got this like mustard yellow one. This one is more of like a V-neck. So I'll link both of these tops down below. They're pretty affordable. They're like 20 bucks. They have like built-in padding. They're super thick, supportive. I just love these. I am about to make some lunch and I'm trying out this new recipe. It's like pesto chicken with some roasted veggies. And I'm gonna make 2 servings of this and have leftovers for lunch tomorrow too. And this would be a really good recipe if you wanna like meal prep at the start of a week and have it for like multiple days. So let's do it. I'll show you guys the recipe. Let's open them. First one is boring. I just ordered some more socks for Pilates. You have to wear the socks with like the rubbery, grippy stuff on the bottom. So I just ordered 3 more pairs of socks for that. Actually, I think this is 6 pairs. Next up, I'm not sure what this is, but it says it's from It Cosmetics. A little bag. And inside we have 2 products. It's their Confidence in a Cream moisturizer. This used to be my all-time favorite moisturizer like back in the day. And then this I've never tried before. It's called the Hello Results Wrinkle Reducing Daily Retinol Serum in Cream. We love retinol, so that's fun. Thank you, It Cosmetics. We have another box that I don't know the contents of. Oh yes, I'm so excited. I ordered my first ever Skims things. I've been wanting to try Skims for so long, but every time I go on the website, the colors or my sizes that I really want are always sold out. So I finally got my hands on a couple of sets. I'm actually gonna try these on for you because I wanna see for myself how they look on. So let's do a little mini try and haul. It's just 2 sets. This is the first set. I just got the same like style set in 2 different colors. This was the color I really wanted. It's called Deep Sea. It's like a really dark greenish blue color. This is like the ribbed cotton collection. So I just got the little tank and the matching shorts. Very, very cute. I got everything in a size small. I feel like I could have sized up on the bottoms a little bit. They're just like the tiniest bit tight, but like not so tight that I'm gonna go through the hassle of returning them. But maybe in the future I'd probably order a medium. But overall, super cute. I'm definitely gonna be lounging around my apartment in these. And here is the other set. This is in the color Rose Clay. Very cute, just the same tank and like boxer shorts. Very impressed. I definitely want to order more stuff from there. I want to try the shapewear, but the one I wanted was sold out. So maybe someday when they restock. And the last package I have, I am dying to open from Set Active. Let's see what's inside. Decided to just try this on for you guys as well because why not? Set Active sent me this incredible workout set. I've been wearing their stuff for so long. It's the best. I love this like tan color. The sports bra is just like ribbed, like a box square cut. The back just looks like that. And then the leggings are the best. They fit so well. They're so high-waisted and just form-fitting. They hug your body so nicely. I will definitely be wearing this, so thank you, Set. And that is all of my packages that we have to open. The animals are fighting. I'm about to do my makeup and start getting ready because I am going out tonight. It is Friday. It's the start of Memorial Day weekend. It's like pouring rain outside right now, so it really is not putting me in the MDW mood. But a few of my friends and I are just gonna do something in our area tonight. So I already did my hair, but I'm just gonna throw some makeup on and a little outfit. Guys, I found my new favorite lip combo. It's the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lip liner, which I always use, and then this Glossier Ultra Lip, which this is their new lip product. It's like somewhere in between a lipstick and a lip balm and a gloss. This is in the color Villa, and it looks like this. It's almost a perfect match to the Charlotte Tilbury lip liner. I feel like the lighting in here doesn't do it justice, but it's this really pretty like sheer color. So it gives your lips a tint, but it's like hydrating. It doesn't feel like sticky or drying at all. I really like this lip formula, but this color is like a perfect combo with the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. My outfit of the night is just this little tank from Princess Polly. I have a haul coming soon of a bunch of Princess Polly stuff, but this is a little sneak peek. And then my A Goldie like ripped jeans. And I'm gonna throw on this denim jacket that I got from Princess Polly like years ago. It's like a black denim jacket because it's actually really cold outside, unfortunately.